Guys, in this video I'll show you guys how I was able to turn a trading strategy, a price action trading strategy, into a working robot. I was able to turn something like this into a trading robot in less than 5 minutes. Now all you need to do is to sit tight and watch this video till the end. It won't take much of your time, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with other traders so they can benefit from something like this. Now let's head straight to the video. Alright guys, so let's begin. So the first thing we need to consider is selecting a name for our robot. So let's call it candle. Let's say candle bot. Okay, candle bot. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is to select a strategy for this robot. So yeah, now this is trading view. Okay, you can see we have two rejection candles here. And what happened? The market went up. Okay, and also we had two rejection candles here and the market went down just for a short period of time. Okay, so let's turn some things like this into a working robot. Okay, so let's head back to our platform. So the first thing we need to do is to bring out a no position block. So what we are telling the robot is that there shouldn't be any position for it to open a trade. It should ensure that there's no position running at all. So we're going to be using this block, and the next block we're going to be using is under this various signal. We click on this and we bring out this single candle template. Okay, single candle template. So we'll be making use of these two blocks. However, we'll be copying and pasting them because we'll be using almost the same parameters. Okay, so let's edit this for the buying condition. We're going to be changing this continuous to once per bar. Okay, we'll come here to this upper wick and we'll change this to not more than, and we input 40. Okay, we come down to this lower wick and we change this to, from at least, we input 50. Then come here to this candlestick size, we input 20. Okay, that's the minimum candlestick size we want the robot to check out for before opening a trade. So let's update this. We copy this, right click, copy. Okay, we paste again. Alright, double click, and we will be changing this one to only 2. I've created a video about this on my channel also, why I explained about candle IDs. Okay, so you can watch the video on price action. I've also created a video if you get into price action robots, so you will understand why we are changing this to 2. Okay, so then let's just update. Let's update. Then we come here to this this second one here. Okay, so we're going to change this to once per bar. Change this upper wick to from at least, I input 50, and come here to this lower wick and we change to not more than, we input 40, and we input 20 here. Okay, we update. So what we're doing basically here is we are doing the opposite of what we did here. Okay, that's the opposite we are doing here, because when you look at this candlestick, okay, you see that this is the opposite of this. Okay, this is the opposite of this, so that's what we are doing. So let's right click this, copy and paste again. Okay, let's double click and we'll change this ID to 2. Okay, then we update. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing is adding our buy now and sell now blocks. Okay, these blocks are responsible for the execution of position. Without these blocks, okay, our robot cannot open any trade. So we need these two blocks. Okay, so now let's double click on this buy now. Let's double click on the buy now. Let's change this lot size. This is lot size parameter, so let's change it to 0.01. Let's change this stop loss to 700 points because we'll be testing this on gold, obviously. And let's change this take profit to 2000 points. We update, okay, and we link them together. Okay, we link them together. Okay, now we'll do the same thing for this sell now block. We change this parameter to 0.01 and stop loss to 700 points. This take profit, we change it to 2000 points. Okay, we update, then we link them together. I believe now this is not even up to 5 minutes. Okay, it's not even up to 5 minutes and we've created a robot. Okay, price action robot. So now we are done. all we need to do now is to download this robot and test it to see if it is doing exactly what we've programmed it to do here. Okay, so now let's download this, and then we copy it. Okay, let's paste it here. Now let's test it. Let's refresh. Let's search for it. Okay, this is candlestick bot. All right, now let's test to see if this robot will do exactly what we've programmed it to do. Okay, so let's test. Let me change this to a white background so we can see it clearly. Okay, so let's wait for it to open it. Okay, we've opened a position. The robot has opened a position, a buy position actually. You can see we had two rejection candles. Okay, two rejection candles. Then it opened a buy trade upon the next candle, which shows that it is respecting everything we asked it to do. And also we asked the robot to make use of 700 points, which is 700 points for the stop loss, and also 2,000 points for the take profit. And that's exactly what we have here. Okay, so let's continue. Let's test. Okay, that's it. Our take profit. And so this is a very good strategy. Okay. Okay. We have another rejection candle here. Rejection candle here. So let's play it to see the outcome. All right. Okay. That's it. I'll take profit also. That was very fast. Okay. All right. We've taken another trade here also. Again, you can see. Let's zoom in. You can see the rejection candle. You can see these two rejection candles here. What happened after that? It entered into we open a buy position and the stop loss is 700 points. You take profit to 2,000 points. And this is a very beautiful trade because this is a zero drawdown entry. Okay. Okay, that's it. I'll take profit also. So far we've made about $47 here currently, which I'm saying here. You can see the mouse. Okay, we've had a loss. So let's fast forward this to see the outcome. You can see this also here. You can see this beautiful entry with zero drawdown entry. You can see that also. That was a beautiful one. And that was almost it. I'll take profits right away. Okay. So let's see. Let's fast forward this to see the outcome. So, okay, I think that's it. I'll take stop loss also. Okay, same thing, stop loss. Okay, taking another sell here again. You can see the candlesticks formation. Okay, you can see the candlestick formation. All right, so let's continue. Let's play that. Okay, now it our take profit and also okay, this one it our stop loss. So we've taken another buy here again. Okay, you can see these two rejection candles here also before the entry. So that's just it, guys. So I've also created premium videos, and courses on how you can also do this by yourself. So you can turn any of your strategies into a working robot. Okay. All you need to do is to just click on the link. I'll be leaving the link to my website on the description box or also on the screen so that you can access this. So all you need to do is once you visit our website rather, you get to know more about me, okay, and get to see what you'll be learning once you register for this course. Okay, you'll be learning different types of robots programming, okay, without coding, obviously, and also you get to see some of our robot performance so far, and also some of our testimonials on our website. So all you need to just do is come down here and click on this sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, then you'll be able to get in touch with us and get access to this trading robots trading course. Okay, all right, our testing is done. Okay, our testing is done. So we've made about $84. You can see here we made about $84, which is a very good thing. All right, guys, so that will be all for now. So in my next video I'll be explaining how to use break-even trailing stop, and I know you don't want to miss it. So all you need to do is to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and also you can share this video to some of your fellow traders so they can learn one or two things in this video. So until I see you in the next video, peace out, guys.